I see who's sweeping up all of the critter food. I got 2 chipmunks here. They're like little vacuum cleaners. Aren't you? You came and chirped at me because you were so excited that I was coming out throwing out more food. I've already thrown out 4 handfuls. And you scooped it up even before the squirrels could get it. Yeah, the squirrels didn't get nothing. So they started tap dancing on my roof to let me know they didn't get no food. Look at those cheeks just bulging. Up, you're going back with your booty. And the squirrels, they're like, we're just trying to get something, a little something to eat. Yep.